My eyes!
A bit late for that reaction.
What?
My eyes!
No one else would know that, but you and me. Okay. I'll check. Let's see if there's anything.
Hi there, Fuzzball. That's a real
Nope,
booty.
nothing new. A teleporter? To missile cruiser?
Okay. Teleport. Alrighty.
Just wait till there's like a Ratchet and Clank game where the enemy is nothing but boxes.
Uh-oh. Can I still be all mini guys?
You know how long it would take if you just walked through it the whole way this way?
I'm just trying to see if I'm supposed to.
Oh my god, you have to.
Yeah. I mean, hi guys. How are you? Okay, no, I'm sorry. You don't like that? Okay. You guys like bullets, right? Oh, you guys.
They sound super real. Don't they?
Yeah. Make me feel sad for killing them. Okay. Teleporter. We gotta make sure we're all.
To the Dreadnought.
Uh-oh.
There's a Dreadnought.
We're going to.
The Dreadnought looks crappy. Oh my god.
Come on, I'm friendly! I'm friendly!
Too late.
Yeah, get out of the noodles! Not cool, not cool. Okay, yeah. No, this is not what we like. Bad. Oh my god. That was so dumb. For like half that time, I could not get out of the little form. Like, I was stuck in this form. I was sitting there hitting box and attack and everything. I couldn't get out. Put the green one.
I guess it doesn't see you?
Aww. What the? Oh.
Okay, he saw you.
I was just getting closer and then he did like.
Okay, so this part's like pure stealth. Or are you just gonna kill them?
Hello.
Get to the second spot and stealth up. Given that they know that you can't jump, they should find it odd that you're here. Right?
Yeah.
Stealth up. Too late.
Whatever.
Just to the next room.
Shut the.
Oh my god.
Why? Why? Okay.
This is the most bullshit stealth mission ever. Why would they put this here now?
We need. This needs to be in a different spot. Okay, how do I?
I go back to it's quick select.
So how do I? Okay, that's where I want it.
Okay.
Or you know, it could actually no, we can even put. How do I like
You go over and push X.
To Hollow Skies?
Yeah.
Or...
And I got an empty spot.
And we can put the hook shot there.
Yeah.
It's faster to be able to go like that.
Yeah.
Because when it's on an angle, it doesn't always work.
Especially since you're using the control pad now.
Well, that's how I've always selected it that way. Fine, I'm just a robot. You can't see me. I'm coming for you.
Stop! I'm a computer! Stop all the downloading! Stop all the downloading!
Hello. Don't mess with me, man. I'll stab you. Stab you. Oh, I killed the one.
I'm gonna stab you with my hammer. It's gonna hurt a lot because you know how hard it is to stab people with a hammer? It's almost impossible. I've done it before. So I'll stab you with my hammer.
I'll spoon you to death. And no, not with the silverware. I'm talking straight. Oops.
You're just gonna...
Straight cut.
Which, to be honest, is more of I'm gonna starve you out because.
Okay. There you go. Right. Not really paying attention.
Might as well. Because he comes out right away. I'd say just get in there and shoot them.
Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna have to kill them all.
Oh, yeah, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Let me in! I forgot. So, I don't know what to do there. Just
Because they still have those guys that go in and out.
What? Why do I keep changing into that? I don't want to.
You're taking. Because for that one room with all those dogs, they still have those guys that come in and out.
Yeah.
So you gotta shoot them, so you gotta kill the dogs while they're in there. So either by shooting the dogs behind the laser line,
Yep.
or hide in that, or kill one of the guys and hide in their room until it, like, chills. But yeah, this is just stupid.
Okay.
Because it sounds like they should have been in the last area, or last planet when we were in the factory.
Yeah.
Like it's just looking at you. They're not looking. Bippity boopity pop. Yeah.
Need to alert the other ones.
I don't think if they don't see you. I took a shift. He went on a break.
There's literally no other place he could have gone. Where did he go? Not telling you. I think I'll kill this guy then. That way, oh god, the bar won't see me. Hello. I'm gonna go in here. I need to use the restroom.
You do not have a restroom. How dare you not give me something to use? See? Right there. They walk in and they leave just like these guys. He saw you.
Oh, the guy back there.
Yeah.
Go in the... Oh my god, just go in there! Apparently, they can shoot through nothing. So I need to go kill that guy, apparently.
Or you could just walk into the room so the door closes behind you. Because I think it can give you enough room for that.
Yeah, but then those guys are gonna see me.
But they go into rooms, like I've been saying.
Right. But now when I go to kill them, they're gonna come out and see me.
You could wait until they turn around, then start killing.
Then that's gonna turn into Am I Faster?
What? The guy behind you saw you.
Like I said he was going to.
I thought the door was closed.
No. So I'm not listening to you. You give bad advice. You kill me. Not really.
But that is bullshit.
Okay. No! You want me here, buddy. Okay. No!
He can't kill you. The force field?
But I was expecting things out of the floor.
I think the force field's stopping him too.
Okay. Hi, friend. I know I wasn't nice earlier, but I
And
swear.
that you saw me as a Lombax.
Now I'm
I am
nice
a
now.
full
I hate
robot.
You. I hate you. What, you think you guys? You naughty dog. You peed on the floor.
Yeah, you leaked your coolant and your oils. And whatever this thing that replaces your crap is.
Yes. Whoop.
It seriously shouldn't be this hard. I swear to God, this is an optional path somehow. In a few seconds, I wasn't looking at the screen. You took an optional path.
I swear I am a robot. Look how I walk.
I only replaced him for a moment.
Look at me. I am a robot.
I am covering both their shifts.
I mean, I am taking all of their shifts. Robot.
Just think if there was actually security cameras and they were just watching you do this. Like, no. I want to see how far this guy gets.
Yeah. No, don't push the button.
This could be entertaining. Let's see how good our defense and securities are. We're here because they keep failing. I want to see how far he gets. Well, they should be able to just walk right through it once the dogs are dead.
Yeah.
The cake is in the way.
And I'll jump in the middle and just run. Just in case there's something down here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the guy with there's another barrier guy right there.
Yeah, that's right. Leave me alone. I don't get how they're not confused on where their guard dog is.
Wave.
I'm not gonna just kill them either, just in case there's secret. Oh. Die!
You did not hear that.
At all.
You did not hear the explosion of your buddy.
It was the small miniature robot that's been roaming around.
It was me. I blew up. I am sorry.
Just in case.
To the light cruiser. Oh my god. You don't really have an option here.
Come on. Nope. Okay. Oh, okay. There's not that there to walk.
At least you're at full health too, so...
That's always nice.
So you essentially have 10 health if you come back through here. Oh my god, and that one guy is just there.
I guess I have to, like, kill him or something. Oh my god. Those things seek you, too. There's no dodging. They literally...
And you're all the way back here again.
Like, cruising?
Hey! No, the first one.
This is so stupid. Oh, God. wave. Okay, you can go F yourself. I don't like you.
And there's just the dogs here.
Don't you bark at me?
Because look how some of these are set up. You just have to go through it several times. Which sucks.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Let's want to go straight. Let's go straight so I can see where these idiots are. Okay.
You can probably just run over and kill the other guy.
Okay, this is really getting annoying. You die. Okay, there we go. They'll just run through when they have their backs turned.
And you still have to get back into the robot form too.
Yep. I can get a little closer. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Wave, hello. Yep, open force shield. I'm gonna murder you, just so you know. What did you say? I said I'm gonna murder you. That's fine, you know. I'm kinda nice. Just murder you, not tell you. Okay, yep. I think actually I don't need to be in this form.
No, because it's a swing shot with dolphins.
Yep. Okay, swing shot. Yep.
And the last dog. And then this bullcrap.
Yeah. I'm gonna use a Devastator, I'm guessing, on.
The one that's in the middle.
Yeah.
One's everyone.
I don't want to make mistakes. Okay, sure. Wait for the kids to go.
It's taking them a while.
I'm kind of scared to like switch stuff. Do they come on at different intervals?
No,
Or just those two?
just those two. Okay, do you want to kill them just to make sure it's safe for the next room?
Yeah, might as well.
I'm not collecting the life and blood of our lost brethren, our dead brethren.
Yep.
Given that they're robots, you probably would have figured that they would have like some sort of wireless communication between each other. It's like, yo, this robot's totally messed up. He turned into a person and killed me.
Yep. Or is killing me.
Yeah. Oh my god. A long hallway.
Why? Hello.
Even then, it's too. You would have to like immediately shoot him with this Devastator.
Yes.
What?
No.
Right onto the box. Do not ground pound it.
Do that ground pounding.
The cakes.
I always ground pound. The cakes are what's best. The cake.
There's like so many cake switches here.
I know. Is there a reason for it? What's that? Okay, I'm gonna go into this form. I don't know what's gonna be on the other side of this teleporter.
And you've been screwed over by the unknown several times already.
Drex flagship. Okay, I'm cool.
Oh, metal boots.
No.
So you gotta time this now?
So I gotta like run through it?
Yeah.
The gunfire from those turrets is deadly. You will have to find a detour.
Why can't I hear it? Is the detour?
Yeah, right there. Not really a detour if
Why is there
a battle-ready ship.
on a place where no one would be able to get to?
So, objective, destroy the turrets.
Yeah. Hey, get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Out of here. Get out of here. And where is... There we go. Ah!
You died.
That was stupid, Head. Okay.
I'm guessing you probably have to use the rockets on the cannon fire, too. Wait, even though you're supposed to just lock onto them easily.
Yeah.
You know, these guys suck at their job if they're flying better maneuverability ships than you, and they're still just straight up failing. It should be the X button to speed up.
There's like one behind me.
It doesn't really seem to heal you for that much.
Two barrel.
You failed. Your planet got shot.
Yeah.
Once.
You took two. What? No.
The timer was starting since you first landed. And it never reset when you died.
Yes.
How pissed would you be?
I think that's stupid.
Would that be a rage quit for you?
Yes.
Mission complete. Now land the ship. Good job! Where's the ship?
I don't know. Maybe Clank was doing it telepathically, or it was a drone ship? I guess? That turret fire is deadly. I can clearly dodge it. Hey, where'd my mask go? It just disappears. Don't take it off.
You're still upside down. Maybe you should just try to stay on the ceiling for as long as you can. Even though you could easily just walk off and fall. So I guess keep going forward? Or check the map? Yep, next room.
I don't care.
You've been screwed so many times. I swear to God, if this is optional.
Tonight on Blonde TV, the event you have all been waiting for, the total annihilation of an entire planet! Witness the power, the destruction, and the nothingness that follows. So join Ultimate Supreme Executive Chairman Drek as he pushes the button that ends one world and begins another. Then, stay tuned for the galaxy's funniest superhero bloopers featuring Captain Quark.
Now we know where he is. Let's get him.
Yeah, he's at your house. Okay, so there's another path we can take in this place. Should we just say forget and just get on with it?
Yes.
Or do you really want to go through the other path, which could be another stealth mission?
No, thank you. Just go here to launch bay. I'm cool with that. And into the ship. Here you go.